Mahabharata makes us aware of our duties and Ramayana teaches us renunciation. Maryada Purushottam, the inspiring episode of Lord Ram, Lord Krishna, Sita, Gandhari, Mandodari are eternal truth for a family happy life. Every person reading these texts is aware that greed and arrogance of power in men push humanity into the tragedy of war. Duryodhana arrogance caused the war of Mahabharata, then arrogance of power of Ravana caused his gold Lanka to be destroyed. Friends, today we will compare two great characters of Mahabharata and Ramayana in this video and try to see who is better. Lakshmana from Ramayana and Karna from the Mahabharata, who was powerful. This is Time Tales. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. While Lord Ram is considered to be avatar of Vishnu, Lakshmanji is called Sheshavatar. According to Hindu mythology, many incarnations of Sheshnag are mentioned in which Lakshmanji, brother of Ram, and Balram, brother of Krishna, are main ones. The four brothers, including Ram and Lakshman, had two gurus, Rishi Vashisht and Rishi Vishwamitra. Rishi Vishwamitra was performing a yajna in Dandakaranya. Demons like Tadka, Subahu and Marich appointed there by Ravana used to repeatedly interrupt in their sacrifice. Vishwamitra bought Sri Ram and Lakshman from Maharaj Dasrath to protect his sacrifice. The two brothers killed the demons together and Vishwamitra Yag was protected. Lakshmanji presented the perfect example of detachment of his elder brother by remaining separate from his wife for 14 years. Even a great demon like Ravana could not cross the line drawn by Lakshmanji. The valor of Lakshmanji can be seen from the fact that in the battle of Ram Ravan, Lakshmanji killed Meghnath, who defeated Indradev and who has elusive powers. Now let us talk about Karna, the great warrior of Mahabharata. Kunti gave birth to Karna in virginity by invoking the sun with the boon of Durvasha Rishi. Fearing public fear, Kunti threw him into the river. Kunti's Surya son Karna is considered an important warrior of Mahabharata. Karna's power was no less than Arjuna and Duryodhana. He had the Amog Astra given by Indra. He used Amog Astra on Bhishma son Ghatotkacha at the behest of Duryodhana. With the use of it, Bhishma son Ghatotkacha was killed. Karna is highly proficient in archery. He is the best archer of his time, in front of which even Arjuna find it difficult to stand. Karna is equipped with high level of rights. He gave special importance to morality in his life. It is due to his morality that he rejected Duryodhana's proposal to abduct Draupadi. His charity is unique. To ensure Arjuna's victory in the battle, Indra asked for armor. Karna donated it even after understanding the whole situation. Not only this, Karna lying on deathbed in the battlefield, Karna uprooted his gold tooth when he asked for Krishna to donate gold in the form of Brahmin. Friends, an individual comparison cannot be made between Lakshmana of Ramayana and Karna of Mahabharata. However, if we look at the wars done in their lives, it is found that Lakshmanji succeeded in achieving his goal in his wars, while Karna failed. What you can do in this world is not more important than what you have succeeded in doing. Obviously, Lakshmanji proves to be the best.